Test, test. So you can hear me? C-pop is popping. I'll pull it up just a second, get in my position. So I'm in C-pop. Yeah, I'm at a little over 4K, so I was trying to close it. You shouldn't play your P&Ls, but I'm playing my P&L, so it is what it is. And I usually do this exclusively for the Discord, but I couldn't get logged into Discord on my computer for whatever reason, so I'm in C-pop. And for y'all that don't normally get to see me play, I like the early pops usually because money rotation, they usually fade away. Once something else pops and steals attention. Oh, we're at a 200. We're in between a 200 EMA and SMA. Let's go. Adding. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Get a little flush here. So we're back under. So let me draw these just so we'll know. And again, sorry guys, all last minute. I just wanted a little over 4K on the day, and I want to see if I can hit 5K. And I'm playing my P&L, and I shouldn't do that, but I don't care. I'm not gonna force it though. This is a pretty good setup. This is what I look for. Should see why it's popping though. See if there's any news that came out. It's hanging in there though. Let's see. Find out why C-pop is popping. Report stellar results. Revenue surpasses 100 million for the first time. Wow, that's actually pretty good. No, I usually do it for the Discord, but I might occasionally do it here on YouTube. Um, Incredible intraday today. There was a lot of opportunities. I caught a few. Some of them I probably got a little lucky, but it works. But yeah, I might start doing it some. I'm gonna try to stay. I'm a little disappointed this one's not fading quicker. So, I mean, I'm in the money, but I would love to see a little flush right here. How much is it up? Oh, it's only up 38%. Watch me try to hit 5K and I will end up going backwards. Anything else moving? 405 is usually when the PRs come out, so give it one more minute. What stock did you make the most on? Let me see. I actually don't know. Probably that halt play, that sketchy one. There we go, getting a little flush now. ATGL made 623 on. Just a lot of base hits today. AMVS I made 423 on. So yeah, just a bunch of base hits. So it was the halt play. Dang, come on, flush. Oh, dang, I logged myself out of my mobile, logging into, forgot about that. Let me log back in. Yeah, I would like to see this one fade a little quicker than it is, but all good. I'm not in super heavy. I'm in a couple thousand shares, but I have some waiting at 85 and 89 if it wants to try to push some more. But we're in between two 200s daily. So we got the SMA here, the EMA up here. The news is actually kind of decent, earning news. So the revenue's up 141% year over year. So that's why I'm not adding more heavy. I'm only in, 2,000 shares because I think it will fade or I wouldn't be in it. But it's not like it's trash news. Yeah, J Money. BG tempted me. But yeah, Discord wasn't working for whatever reason. So I just decided to do it here. Or it wouldn't let me log in on my computer. And then I waited last minute to do this. So I didn't have time to reset my computer. Let me know if y'all see anything else pumping. Yeah, BG does find some plays. You do too, J Money. You usually find them after hours, so throw them at me when you see them. I mostly want more plays so C-pop goes away and dies. But like I said,
Click.
CLIK. It's already gave back some of it. Wish it would push to steal attention from C-pop. But I think this one's just going to die. Let me get it pulled up. It's up 33%. Only 70,000 shares have been traded on it. So be cautious if y'all play it. If volume comes in, it could push. But it looks like it's gonna flush. I'm gonna sit this one out. Yeah, I missed it, but all good. Gotta be a little cautious. I want to get to my goal, but I'm not gonna force it. Oh, and it's low float. Yeah, then I'll stay away. Man, C-pop hanging in there too. There we go. See if we can break VWAP here. Maybe, but let's see if something else comes. Let me pull up AskEdgar for C-pop. I've shorted this stock so many times. It's a Chinese ticker. Some like, what is it? Yeah, they host concerts and hip hop related events, including stage plays, dance competitions, cultural and musical festivals. So they have a lot of offering available. The overall offering risk is medium. The float is 22 million. Basically, no institutional ownership. Their cash need is not so bad right now, though. But yeah, the news is decent. They surpassed 100 million in revenue for the first time. So I would like to see some more plays because like I was saying, like I want this one to fade, but the news is not like that bad. And again, it's a Chinese company, so the numbers aren't audited by the United States, so they could all be BS. Honestly, I don't trust things audited by the United States either, so I got trust issues. But all jokes aside, these Chinese tickers are sketchy sometimes, so it's decent news, and Chinese tickers are sketchy at times. They're willing to do some questionable things to pump these, so not much size, just 2,000 shares, and it's holding VWAP, so really need some money rotation. Meaning if you're new, something else to pop, still attention away, and I'm not seeing that yet. And it might flush without it, but it'll definitely flush because it's barely, like, you know, it's not making new highs for the 5 minute. Lower high, lower high, lower high. If we could just get something to steal attention right now, this thing's gonna die. Cool, Hong. I'm good. It might rip though. Like I said, I'm not, this is not an A setup. Good news in Chinese. That's why I'm only in 2,000 shares. There we go. Come on, break. We can get below, what is this, 75, where this other one's wicked down, we probably will keep going down. Right here. Yeah, about 75.
RYET.
Is this the one to steal attention? Oh, that's a nice pop right at $1. I'm gonna try to get in. I'm being slow with this one. I've misclicked a few times. What's the news on this one though? It's another Chinese ticker. Let me see what it's doing to C-pop first. Oh yeah, it stole attention. I might just wait on this one. It's stealing attention away from C-pop though. Let's go. I'm up 250 on it. Well, about 230. Now 250. Oh, okay, there we go. So I'm trimming some here at 69 cents. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, RYET. And y'all see why I like the early ones? And I'm out. Because it's good news. It might recover. So could it flush? Could it go negative? Yes and yes, but this is 100, and it's very good earnings, I think, for this company. For quick glance, it's good earnings. So so yeah, it worked out. Probably should have played this one too, but I'll see what it does. Do some due diligence on it. I don't see any new news. They had news 7 hours ago. Commercial release. I'm tempted to kind of play this dollar level. See what the daily looks like. Maybe $1.10. I got a little entry at $1, but little because I don't really just trust this dollar level that much. It's a psychological level, of course, but on the chart it doesn't really show much. So I have my big order at 109 or bigger. It's not that big. Oh, and that's where it popped to previously. I didn't realize that. So yeah, no, it's already respected that level once. Low, it looks like a decent company. Another Chinese company, 3.75 million float. I might just get out here at 99 cents and make zero money on it. I don't know. Between the Chinese and no dilution on the books, I'm gonna just play it safe. If it gets up to 190, I'll play it though. So yeah, I got out basically break even. Let's just call it break even. And again, this is just me being a little scaredy cat because I don't like, it looks like it's fundamentally a good company. And it's sketchy Cayman Islands holding company with operations in China, 3.75 million flow. They might pump this. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And I missed the flush and I'm okay with that. But if it gets up to 109, I will enter. But called a nasty. See, this is why I got out, guys, is because it is decent news. So I'm not surprised it's recovering. Could it fail here and fade? Yeah, for sure. But we got what we wanted with this one, a distraction. So if this pushes to 109, I'll play it. Yeah, float was too low on CLIK. Are you trading or is this a recap? I'm actively trading. Here we go. If any of y'all are in it, I hope it flushes for y'all. No, so occasionally I'll do after hours live streams in the Discord, and the Discord wasn't working today, or I couldn't get it to come up on my computer. Oh, nice guys, nice. Hope some of y'all are in it. No, I'm usually not in the afternoons, only in the Discord. Yeah, and I'm okay with missing this one. This was a Cayman Islands company with operations in China. Like, yeah, I wish I would have still been in it. I got in and got out at break even, but uh, caught a nasty flush on C-pop. So win on that one, break even on this one because I bailed. Because I do not want to give it back. So now I'm at not 5K, but 4,448 and 84 cents. I might not get to 5K today, and that's okay. You shouldn't play your P&Ls anyway, or that's what I'm told. Probably good advice, though. Dang, I don't think I'll get there because I like the early pops for money rotation. So we don't get like another clean pop here shortly. I'll probably bail. Or just call it a day. Still a good day, but never. C-pop. Yeah, if y'all are just hopped on, I'll post this recap. I post all my lives. Y'all can see this was a perfect case early, the first pop. So we get in it. Doesn't make new highs, showing weakness. I'm over here like, please something else run, please something else run. Then RYET, look at the candle it ran on, 610. What candle did this drop? 610. So money rotation. So I share all my secrets with y'all. So if you just wait for something else to run, a lot of times the longs, I'm assuming, are closing to chase the next fancy ticker or something. I don't know, but it's like a cheat code. No, I don't use the 1 minute. Yeah, honestly, I how do I say this? Like without sound, like you can, this strategy of shorting small caps, you can almost do it at any time of the day. It just matters what time I'm free that day, and I won't. I mean, I have my set pre-market, y'all know that, but this has been slow. I haven't been making much in pre-market. I might as well just. I'm not. I'm gonna keep doing it. Don't worry. But like, I'm not making much in pre-market lately. It's been almost a waste of time because just pre-market's dead. I've been making most of my money intraday. Like waiting for backside moves and jumping in sketchy halts, no big deal. But oh, ATGL. You're still holding ATGL, holding up end of. What happened to this one? So this is my biggest winner on the day, actually. Oh, wrong one. From a short position, you're holding this one? If so, you killed it, bro. Oh, look at this one. Nice job. Nice flush. I hope none of y'all, I convinced none of y'all to bail. Julie. Oh, God, you had me rolling. Well, C-pop might have been my play. Should have added more size. Dang it. I was only in a couple thousand shares, so did good on the draw. I think I ended up making 250, 300, something like that on this move. But I should have went heavier. But the problem is it was Chinese and it was actually really good earnings. I think quick glance, it looked promising, and that's all longs are doing. They're not digging in too deep. So try to view it through the lens of a long trader. And it looked pretty solid, so I didn't want to add too much size. And then I bailed out of this one, basically made a penny on it. That might be it for the day. I'll see if there's anything at 4:30, but again, the real edge is these early pops. For me, again, not financial advice, educational purposes only. Do not follow me because this is sketchy shorting small caps. But it has been, there is an edge to it. We just got to be careful, risk management. If you're wrong, you got to cut quick. All of that. NOTV. NOTV. That's actually a decent pop, isn't it? Or why am I not seeing it on my top gainers? NOTV. Oh, it's up 50%. I'm gonna play this dollar level while I do some research. Just get a small position. Thanks for the heads up. I'm in at $1. What is going on with this one? TV. Thanks for the heads up. It wasn't even showing up on my top gainers. Preliminary fiscal. Oh, and what's the market cap on this? And watch me get into a big market cap. Oh no, it's small. Institutional ownership about 11 or 12 or 25. Sorry, I had to read. There we go. Come on, let's get a flush. Oh, it's a disaster of a company though, fundamentally. Good. AskEdgar, overall offering risk is very high. They have no cash. Negative cash, actually. They don't have enough cash the rest of the month. According to AskEdgar, 31 million float, low institutional ownership. Let's see what they're... So I'm looking through the earnings. I don't know. It doesn't... This is their preliminary fiscal 2025 fourth quarter and full year results. So it is... So this is preliminary unaudited results, by the way, but it is bullish, but it doesn't seem that great. I don't know. It's the end of the day. I don't feel like digging in it that much. So I'm in at $1. We'll see what happens. I'm not going to add much size to it, but it does have some weird price action right here. So, and this is where it popped a previous high and it tried to somewhat get there. Weird price action though, between this like die-in today and now it's popping again. I assume it's going to die again, but again, we're shorting sketchy small cap, so anything can happen. This thing could go to $2 if it wanted to. I don't think it's going to do that, but I'm gonna see if I'm gonna try to hold it for a little bit, see if we get some money rotation on this one, see if something else pumps. What are y'all's thoughts? So they start releasing news at 4:05 usually, sometimes 4, but 4:05, 4:10, 4:15, 4:30. Then they kind of die down after that. You'll see a 5 o'clock every now and then, but oh, there we go. Come on. There we go. Getting that flush. Should have went heavy with this one too, but again, don't force these trades. If it's not an A+ setup, I'm not going to add size to it. Dang, this thing didn't recover. I wouldn't be surprised if this one flushes though in a second. I would like, so in 10 seconds, this 5-minute candle, I would love to see it close under the 200, but like a little bit farther. There we go. So I feel better about it. Anything can happen again, but I think this one's going to keep going down. What scanner do you use at the end of the day? The same one, Trade Ideas. I have a link in my description for it, so if you get it, I can send you how it's set up, because Trade Ideas scanners are kind of complicated, I'm going to be honest with you. Learning curve. But yeah, there's cheaper ones out there, but this one does the things I want it to do. Just try to be honest. If you're looking for the cheapest scanner, this is not it. It's not like outrageous, but it's pretty complex. And Trade Ideas has a lot of stuff it does. I mostly just use the scanner though. Will I play CPOP again? No, since the news was good, I'm probably not going to. That's kind of my deciding factor. It's Chinese and good news. They might try to send this thing. And it has, I don't think it's done it in a while, but it had a history of just making really strong moves. Like, look at this one. 72. Well, that wasn't
MNDR.
There we go. Let's see if this one flushes now. We got another, something else is still attention. MNDR. Oh, it's retesting that level. I might try this one. Get that. Why are these not showing up on my top gainers? I'm having to like search for them. It takes too long. See, I'm gonna miss it now. Yeah, I'm not gonna get in it now. Cause I trade mobile. If y'all are new. Oh, let's go. NOTV. Man, I should have added size for CPOP and NOTV. What did I tell you? Something else popped. People gave up on this one. Sharing all my secrets. What time is it? 4:32. It's after 4:30. I'm gonna wrap up, guys, because I like the early pops. That's where my edge is. I don't want to force these other trades. I see MDR is pushing back up, but I just realized it was after 4:30, and my edge is the money rotation. So, anyways, and you got to see it twice here. On that note, I'm going to wrap up. If you're new, I live stream Monday through Thursday, 7 a.m. to about 8:39. And if you want to learn more, I have a Discord as well, but I will see y'all tomorrow morning. See y'all.